Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel The United Road. And today I will be talking about the team that I think would face Leeds United at Old Trafford in a few days time. So let's begin. First of all, the goalkeeper. We are absolutely blessed to have two of the most amazing keepers with us. And since we all know that Dean Henderson will be out because of the COVID protocols, that means only one thing, and that David De Gea, the big Dave, the Dave who saves, will be starting the first game of the season after having an uncertain season last time around with Dino back in the team and taking his number one spot for a few games. Moving on, the right back position. This is the one position I think we should also look in the market in terms of getting a particular backup for Van Bissaka. We all know he will be starting the first game of the season, but I do feel that in if the season goes along and since we are going to play a lot of games, a certain replacement in terms of quality and in terms of experience can help him big time, just like in case of Luke Shaw. When Teles gets in, he improved massively. Centre backs. Maguire is a certainty. There is no doubt that he won't be playing. He's our captain, the leader. We would love to see him scoring a goal. The second centre back, Varane or Lindelof. Varane definitely is a choice for everyone, but as we all know, he has just came to Manchester and he has not even trained once as the time I'm speaking this video. And I do feel that if he gets few training sessions and if he can impress Ole, then definitely he could start. But as of now, I am taking a safe bet and going on with Lindelof to partner Harry Maguire in the heart of the defense. The left back position is sorted for us. Soboto. There is no need to just even look around at other options. We really hope that Teles recovers very soon since he is injured, and we will be needing him. But for the first game of the season, Shaw, absolute class, our best player last season, the best left back in the world by a mile right now. Midfield options. That's where things get a bit tricky. As we all know, Leeds is a very counter-attacking team. They press very high and they have bundles of energy throughout the 90 minutes. That's, you can say, the magic of the Bielsa system. So, midfield options. I would definitely like to see Ole go a bit attacking because we all know the Leeds defense lack at times, and we also saw last season how quickly we started and got two goals, and then after that the floodgates opened. So first choice in the midfield for me after looking at the preseason game last time against Everton, Donny van de Beek. The first name that should be in the midfield is the Dutch maestro, definitely. He bulked up, he did his work in the preseason, and I don't think there is any issue with him starting in the first game of the season. His partner, I am definitely going with Matic. It's a bit of an odd choice regarding the partner, but yeah, I do feel Matic can act as a perfect shield, although he's not pacey, as everyone knows. But we can play him for like 55-60 minutes, and then if he's not coping up well, then we can have a substitute and bring on Fred or even McTominay to partner him. So you people must be thinking about where is Pogba. In my opinion, he's not fit to start the first game of the season. Although Ole can take a risk and start him, and I do see him coming from the bench around 60-65 minutes in the first game. So who else makes up the team? We have already gone through 7 names, and the eighth name would be Mason Greenwood on the right hand side. He is a certain starter. As we all know, Sancho isn't fit enough, and even Ole said that he will be a more certain option from the bench rather than starting the game. So Greenwood on the right, we all know Bruno will be occupying our number 10 spot. It not be a very popular opinion, but Daniel James is the one guy I see in the starting lineup for the first game because of his defensive abilities as well that we all know. He runs back, he tracks back, he gets the ball. He might not be very efficient with how he plays in terms of attacking wise, he just runs and runs, but that doesn't take out his defensive effort, and that's what Ole loves about him, where they will be counter-attacking for most of the game. We will be having a lot of possession. So his role will be more of a winger who can run back, who can help his players in terms of winning the ball from the Leeds players. The striker conundrum. We don't have Rashford. He is out till October. Cavani had just been back from South America, and I don't see him making the first game from the bench. Might be, but I'm not sure about that. So for the first game of the season as a striker, I'm going with Anthony Martial. We all know he can do magic. He can produce magic on a certain day, but we need that more often if we have to be a title challenging or a title winning side. We need his form back. We need his mojo back. We need his arrogance back where he could just run through the defense and just score the goal. We need goals from him in the absence of Marcus Rashford for the first 2 months. And he will be sharing the load with Cavani. And when Cavani will be back, I think he will be on the left, or he will be swapping with Sancho or even Greenwood. That's for a totally different match or for a totally different time. But as of now, my first 11 is David De Gea, Aaron Wan-Bissaka, Victor Lindelof, Harry Maguire, Luke Shaw, Donny van de Beek, Nemanja Matic, the star boy Mason Greenwood, the Magnifico Bruno Fernandes, the Roadrunner Daniel James, and the 50 million guy Anthony Martial. So that's my team for the first game of the season, and I would love to know that how do you think of this team and what changes would you like to see if you are not going with my team in the comment section. So I will be looking forward to this, and on this note I will be ending this video. Thank you.